Good evening, friends. I'm Donald Fernandez from Street Providence, and today I'm here to share with you about a new project which we are starting, which is called Pogo Ration. This Pogo Ration, you know the word Pogo, person of Goan origin or for ethnic Goans. So as we have been running our food bank for the last 3 years, picking up people, distributing food, taking them to hospital, we also come across multiple times poor families in smaller villages who we also support, and this has been going on for a couple of months. So basically, we understand, there are families who are basically they are widows in homes. There are families where alcohol has destroyed the families. Alcohol is pertinent in Goa. There are families where usually the women folk go to fields or agricultural workers and they don't get work throughout the year. There are homes which have daily wages. They go to people's homes at times for daily chores. You have basically families where there are old parents, and the children have migrated or have moved to their own homes, and the families are just the mother father is left alone. Sometimes we come across families which are broken. The husband has left them, the wife and children are there. Sometimes we come across families where the education level is very low, this third standard, fourth standard, and they don't feel like, taking any interest in life. We also come across a lot of families where one member or two member is either physically or mentally challenged, and that's a big drain on the body, big drain on their pocket to look after the person. We just have families which are abandoned Goan families, like nobody is there in the house, just one person or two people. We also have we come across families which have got incapacitated members and they are forced to look after them. And we have been trying to support such families in the last 6 months. We support them with dry ration, that basically rice, sugar, dal, wheat, tea powder, milk powder, toothpaste, soap, basic groceries for three or four of family members for a month. And how do we do it? We have tied up with our food bank volunteers who have been with us for the last 3 years. They know exactly who are the poor people because they have been feeding them for the last 2 3 years. And most of our volunteers are non-political, non-religious. They are people who understand poverty. They have the time, the effort, because when you're dealing with poor people, you need to have patience. You need to sit with them, talk to them, and especially when we are giving the ration, the volunteers have to buy it, have to pack it themselves, have to go and distribute it, and that's a great service they do. So besides ration, what do we also give them? We at times give them medicines. We pay their medicines. If we send them medicines, if they give us the prescription, if they require any aid, like say a bedpan or a walking stick, or they require say pampers, or they require diapers. If they have any child which requires some fees to be paid, basic fees to be paid, or if they require any basic household item like a gas cylinder or a stove or a fan or a chair or a table. So this is what we do. uh, it's not only feeding them through the pogo ration, it is also trying to get them to start some small job, have a consistent job, or do some small business at home, some cooking, or some it takes some interest in life. And basically now we have been doing it consistently in Veli area, which covers Ambeli, part of Asolna, part of Chinchani, part of Veli. We have 25 families there which have been taken care on and off by our volunteer Elaine and her husband Daniel. We recently started in Kankon with Sharon and her husband, and they identified 25 families across Agonda, Mashe, Lulem. We have also been working in Uge, Sange, Kepe, uh, Kurchorem, to Akash. We also have been working in parts of Mapsa, parts of Porvori. So it has been in my mind that we should be able to reach out to more families. And my uh, request is, if you can contribute towards this cause, and how you can contribute. You can either contribute in kind, you can donate every month 1,000 rupees. It can be NEFT, it can be a check. We'll prefer if you give it every month, so that you also feel that you are giving it every month. Or we can also, if you are if in a particular place and you would like to go and see the family also, we can give you the address and link you up to that, link you up to the particular local volunteer, so that you don't need to give it to us, and we are going to go and give it to them. Basically what we are saying is, if you identify, if you know, if your childhood friend, suppose today you are a middle class person, or you have a job, you have a business, and you know that your childhood friend is not well taken care of, he's by himself, your neighbor or some distant relative, or somebody who you grew up with is not having good days, not having two meals. It is easy to adopt such family. You can do it yourself, you can route it through us, and every month we'll go and give them the ration, and we'll update you. You can also check on them, that whether they have got the ration or not. And it's not only going to be ration, we have planned multiple things down the line, what we are going to give to these Pogo families, which we'll be sharing in the next few days. Basically, it's not that it's only ration, but there are some people may just require our time. The volunteer may just have to spend some time with them. They may require an ambulance to go to the hospital if they are old, if they are lonely, if they are just fed up of life. uh, if you seeing this video uh, uh, feels, yes, this is a good project for our Goans, instead of just shouting pogo 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 or goinkar pond, this is the time to believe that we as Goans should reach out to our fellow Goans. It's just a small number of Goans. We are a small community of just 1.5 million people, and most of us have families abroad. So if you can share these videos to people abroad, if you can share this video to your family in Goa, if you can share this on multiple groups, if you can speak about this to people who might want to do something. See, on 1,000 rupees donation a month, we are giving you are getting 50% tax exemption, as well as you are getting 100% blessing from God through these poor people. See, whenever you give to the poor, always they will bless you. Even if we are giving it, still the blessing will come to you. So our humble request is, if you would like to know more about this, you can go to our web page, streetprovidencegoa.com, or you can like our Facebook pages, Street Providence and Food Bank for the Poor Goa, or you can WhatsApp me on 83800975564, and I will be able to share more details with you. And once again, I thank you for being part of this project. I thank you for reaching out to our fellow Goans, our ethnic Goans, our poor Goans, who this might be an opportunity for you to share with the new year coming up. This might be an opportunity for you to be part of somebody's life. It may be 2 meals which that person might be eating in that day because of your goodwill, of your gesture, of your generosity. I end this video by saying thank you very much. Deo Bare Karo.